Did you know that the toothpaste you're using every day might not be the best choice for your oral health? With so many options on the market, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But don't worry. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about selecting the perfect toothpaste for your specific needs. Let's start by understanding why choosing the right toothpaste is essential. Toothpaste isn't just a cleanser for your teeth. It helps fight cavities, reduce gum inflammation, freshen your breath, and even whiten your smile. Using the wrong toothpaste can lead to enamel erosion, tooth sensitivity, or even worsen existing oral conditions. When shopping for toothpaste, always check the ingredients list. Here are some key ingredients to look for based on your needs. Fluoride. Fluoride is the hero of cavity prevention. It strengthens enamel and helps remineralize early signs of decay. Make sure your toothpaste contains fluoride unless your dentist advises otherwise. Xylitol. A natural sugar alcohol that prevents bacteria from producing acids, helping to reduce cavities. Hydrogen peroxide or baking soda. If you're looking for whiter teeth, these ingredients help remove surface stains and brighten your smile. Potassium nitrate. For those with sensitive teeth, potassium nitrate helps desensitize the nerves and reduce pain. While there are many beneficial ingredients, some can be harmful or unnecessary. Here's what to avoid. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. This foaming agent can cause irritation, especially if you're prone to canker sores. Harsh abrasives. Used for scrubbing, but they can wear down enamel over time. Artificial colors and flavors. These additives may cause sensitivities and don't contribute to better oral health. Not all toothpaste is created equal. Different formulas target different oral health issues. For sensitive teeth, look for products with potassium nitrate or strontium chloride for whitening. Opt for toothpaste with mild abrasives like silica or enzymes that break down stains. For gum health, choose toothpaste with antimicrobial agents like stannous fluoride or triclosan. Now that you've chosen the right toothpaste, let's talk about how to use it properly. For adults, a pea-sized amount is enough. For children under 6, a rice grain-sized amount is recommended. Brush for at least 2 minutes, covering all surfaces of your teeth, and don't forget your tongue. Brush twice a day, and floss once a day for optimal oral health. Here are a few bonus tips to keep your smile healthy and bright. Rinse with water after eating to reduce plaque buildup. Consider using a mouthwash with fluoride for added protection. Visit your dentist regularly for checkups and cleanings. Choosing the right toothpaste can make a huge difference in your oral health. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Dental Health 365, and hit the notification bell for more expert dental tips. And check the description below for our recommended toothpaste and oral care products.